Installing Cocos2D template to Xcode. Cocos2D is an open-source 2D game framework. This framework is available for iOS, Android, and also for web. In this section, we are going to see how to install the Cocos2D template to Xcode. Since terminal installation is the simplest and safest way to install Cocos2D, we will be seeing how to do that here. First, we have to download the latest Cocos2D template file from this URL. We have the Cocos2D downloaded file in the desktop here. First, extract the file by double-clicking the file. The extracted file is there at our desktop now. Since we are seeing how to install Cocos2D using terminal, let's open the terminal window. Next, we have to make the location of the terminal as the folder which we have just extracted. Type cd command in the terminal window and drag and drop the Cocos2D extracted folder to the terminal. Now press enter and execute the command. We can see that the path of the command line changes to the new folder extracted. In the extracted, we can see the install-templates.sh file. It is the shell script file, which is an executable. We have to execute that file using the terminal. For executing that file, type /install-templates.sh-f-u. Here, using the tab button to autocomplete the file name while working with the terminal window. -f and -u are shell commands modifiers. Now press enter and execute the command. We can see that the script is executed and that we have integrated the Cocos2D template to Xcode. Let's check whether our Xcode actually has the Cocos2D template now. For this, open the Xcode app. Press the Create a New Project. In the window which appears, we can clearly see the Cocos2D template integrated into it. Now we will be able to create and run Cocos2D applications using Xcode.